Let's talk about that most accurate forecast now. So yesterday, even though we fell short of the forecasted high of 113, it was 111, which still puts us over 110 degrees. So that's 29 days so far this year that we've been over 110 degrees. Now, the record is 33 days. That was set back in 2011. And I think in this 7-day forecast, we still have the potential to at least tie it. And this month we could even break that record. Today our forecast high 113, so we'll likely add another day to that total. Also, we've got some light breezes, 5 to 10 miles per hour, and just a few clouds are going to linger throughout the afternoon. But you can see that excessive heat warning still in effect across the valley to our west and also some areas to our north, including Prescott, Payson, Sedona, and areas of Flagstaff, also out in Yuma as well. Gorgeous view of the sunrise from our Queen Creek camera this morning, looking out in that direction. Those clouds off to the east, that's what's helping make for that beautiful sunrise this morning. And we're still seeing some storm activity out near Eager this morning. Temperatures here in the valley are pretty mild. We're in the low 90s, but hey, Goodyear down to 85 degrees at this hour. So getting a little more comfortable if you want to get out for that early morning bike ride or a little run this morning. If you are trying to squeeze in some exercise, you certainly want to do it before we hit triple digits. So you're going to have until about 9 o'clock this morning for that to happen. By 10, we cross the century mark. It'll be 101 degrees. We're at 103 by 11 this morning, and we're climbing from there. So it'll be pretty rapid after that to get us to that high of 113, which we will see in Surprise, Laveen, Ahwatukee, Mesa, and Gilbert. It'll be 113 in Maricopa, 109 in Anthem, Cave Creek, warming to 108 degrees today. Very similar temperatures to our south and to our west, 112 in Casa Grande, 102 in Safford, 114 in Yuma, and we're right around 115 up in Lake Havasu City, Bullhead City. So toasty for you again, even though your excessive heat warning has expired for today. It's still going to be very hot, so be mindful. To our north, if you're looking to escape the heat, Prescott 97 degrees, so coming close to triple digits. We're going to hit the century mark again in Sedona today. North of the rim, though, 90s in Show Low, upper 80s in Heber, 87 in Flagstaff, and at least you're under the pines. There's a lot more shade, so it at least feels a little bit closer to the mid to low 80s even. Now, I told you we'd talk about that outlook for August. We're still hoping to get some moisture out of the monsoon here, but right now our temperature outlook is certainly looking like it is going to be warmer this month than the average, so we could set more records in the month ahead, unfortunately. And when it comes to rainfall, we are looking drier than usual and more likely to head toward drought conditions. So we'll keep our eye on that. Maybe a late month surge as we head into September, but right now August is not looking like the answer that we were hoping for. Now, looking at Futurecast, this high pressure system is parked over us, so that's keeping our temperatures high. Wednesday into Thursday, a system is going to try to move into the eastern portion of our state. Maybe it's going to try and kick into the valley a little bit, so we are putting a 10% chance of rain in the forecast in the second half of the week. Still early, so we'll keep our eye on that. Excessive heat warning in effect through tomorrow. That's why it's still a weather action day. And then you see our temperatures slowly trying to trend down closer to 110 degrees. And those morning lows by the middle and end of the week at least will get us back into the mid 80s. So those morning temperatures at least will be a little more comfortable there, Mark.